Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the June 2026 bargain bead box to open up with you all today. I have a coupon code for the bargain bead box. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. It looks like the theme this month is Strawberry Soiree. Enjoy the fruits of summer harvest with this vibrant medley of strawberry quartz and cherry quartz glass. Accents include adorable lampwork glass beads, berry-shaped red crystals, green glass leaf drops, and more. Silver finished findings like an elegant platinum-plated brass leaf clasp and quality stainless steel chain complete the collection. And then down under here is your 30% off coupon. If you're a subscriber to the bargain bead box, you get a 30% off coupon that you can use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, and you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. This is the list of everything that's in the box. It says estimated retail value for this shipment is $95.10. This is a really, really great value box. Open up this pretty little pink bag here, dump it out. All kinds of pretty pinks and greens. So hold on, I'll get everything sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. There's lots of pinks and reds and a little bit of green in this box. First is a 9-piece strand of 20 to 39 millimeter cherry quartz glass man-made teardrop pendants. That's a lot of pendants. And they just are graduated from small to this largest one in the center here. It's really neat. Make a necklace and some earrings and just all kinds of things with all these teardrop shapes. It's really pretty. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter strawberry quartz round beads. They're really nice. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter cherry quartz glass man-made round beads. These are have a little bit more color in them than those others. Match more closely to the pendants. Really, really pretty. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of strawberry quartz nugget beads. That's the lighter color, like the first 8 millimeter strand. Strawberry quartz instead of cherry quartz. They're really neat. Different kinds of sizes. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 8 by 6 millimeter cherry quartz glass man-made faceted rondelle beads. These are really pretty. These facets make them sparkle. And then next is a 7.5-inch strand of 6 millimeter cherry quartz glass man-made faceted plated beads. They're really pretty. All kinds of pretty facets. Really, really pretty. And then next are two 18 by 11 millimeter strawberry quartz and brass faceted charms. It's really pretty. That little, well, that little leaf design on the top. They're the same on both sides, except that that would be the back because it's flatter and it doesn't have that little design on the top. Those little silver leaves. A pretty little pair of earrings. And then next is a 10-inch strand of 6 millimeter crystal faceted teardrop beads in Scarlet AB. These are really pretty. All kinds of shine on these. They're just barely a teardrop. They're a little bit, just a tiny little bit bigger at the bottom than they are at the top. Really pretty, sparkly. And then next is an 11-inch strand of 4 millimeter crystal bicone and rondelle beads in varied green AB. I've never seen a strand that has bicones and rondelles, but this one does. There's bicones. It's just a mix. There's a rondelle in the middle of two bicones. It's really cool. Get bicones and rondelles all on one strand. Add a little bit of green in with all these pinks and reds. And then next are 10 grams of 6 by 3 millimeter glass rondelle beads in Strawberry Parfait. This is a pretty little mix of different shades of pinks and reds. Shiny and not shiny. It's a really cool mix. It's really neat. And then next is a 13-inch strand of 4 millimeter glass faceted round beads in dark jade red. Those are really pretty, really sparkly. I know I always say sparkly, but I like sparkly beads. It's really, really pretty. And next are 6 pieces, 14 by 12 millimeter lampwork glass handmade strawberry beads. These are really cute, the little strawberries. It's really cute. That little leaf detail on the bottom of them there. They're really pretty. And then next are 30 12 by 6.5 millimeter glass top drill leaf beads in true green. So really pretty little leaves. A lot of those, 30. And then next are 6 pieces, 10 millimeter rhinestone round beads in bright red. These are super sparkly. All kinds of sparkles on that, on these beads. And then next are 50 pieces of 6 millimeter leaf bead caps in antique silver. There's the outside and then the inside. The pretty little bead caps. Of those, and then 10 grams of 6 by 7 millimeter flower blossom silver spacer beads. Pretty little flowers. They're really pretty. And then next are 4 sterling silver plated brass vine links. These are some tiny, tiny little links. And they have the hole, one hole here. This head pin, I have, these are tiny holes, and my pen doesn't want to go through them. There, that's one hole. And then there's the other hole. Those are really pretty little tiny links. It's really neat. And then next are 6 pieces of 9 by 19 millimeter leaf detail marquee links in antique silver. Here's some more links. That's what the back looks like. Little flower leaves on them. They're really neat. And then next is a 33 by 15 millimeter platinum plated brass leaf toggle clasp. This is really cool. I hadn't Never seen a toggle clasp like that before. That's really cool. That's what the back looks like. It might be too pretty to use on the back of it. I might have to use that in the front. Make it part of a focal or something. This is really pretty. And then last is 1 meter of 4x3mm hypoallergenic stainless steel cable jewelry chain. That's really neat. Almost always get chain in the bargain bead box. Really nice chain. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the June 2026 bargain bead box called Strawberry Soiree. All kinds of pretty reds and pinks and greens in here. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the bargain bead box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.